takeoff, fire Tango Yankee November flight to 3000 feet, line up runway to tree left over 3677. Taiwan Tower over 3677 ready for departure runway to tree left.
Over 3677 runway to tree left. Cleared for takeoff.
Cargo 2128 ready for departure runway to tree left.
Airbus Cargo 2128 runway to tree left. Cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff runway to tree left, Airbus Cargo 2128. Taiwan Tower over 3677 airborne.
Over 3677.
Taiwan Tower over 3677 estimate Tango Yankee November 34.
Over 3677 contact radar on 119.7.
Contact radar on 119.7 over 3677.
Taiwan Tower go catch flying by holding short of runway to tree left. Go catch 4855 depart via Tango Yankee November flight to 3000 feet, line up runway to tree left. Depart via Tango Yankee November climb to 3000 feet, line up runway to tree left, go catch 4855. Taiwan Tower go catch 4855 ready for departure runway to tree left. Go catch 4855 runway to tree left. Cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff runway to tree left, go catch 4855.
Taiwan Tower Airbus Cargo 2128 airborne.
Airbus Cargo 2128.
Taiwan Tower Airbus Cargo 2128 estimate Tango Yankee November at 36.
Airbus Cargo 2128 contact radar on 119.7.
Contact radar on 119.7 Airbus Cargo 2128.
Taiwan Tower, go Cat Saw 855 airborne. Go Cat 4855. Taiwan Tower, go Cat Saw 855, estimate Tango Yankee November at 39er. Go Cat 4855, contact radar on 119.7. Contact radar on 119.7, go Cat Saw 855.
Taiwan Tower Dynasty Fall 129er estimate Tango Yankee November at Saw 0 request join with Lima.
Dynasty 4129er Taiwan Tower cleared for approach heading to 31 degree runway to 3 left.
Cleared for approach runway to 3 left, fly heading to 31 degrees Dynasty Fall 129er.
South and Call Cat Tango Yankee November expecting runway to 3 left, smart Cat 2282.
Taiwan Tower Ava 3735 holding for the runway to 3 left.
Ava 3735 depart by Tango Yankee November climb to 3000 feet, line up runway to 3 left.
Depart via Tango Yankee November climb to 3000 feet, line up runway to 3 left, Ava 3735. Taiwan Tower Dynasty Fall 129er established runway in sight.
Dynasty 4129er report out to marker.
Wilco Dynasty Fall 129er. Taiwan Tower Ava 3735 ready for departure runway to 3 left.
Ava 3735 runway to 3 left. Cleared for takeoff.